in the subarray, if I choose to include 3, then would it be able to give me a sum 2? No, because the 3 itself is greater than 2. So if I include it, the sum would become greater than 2, and it would not be possible to get a sum 2 by including 3 in the subarray. So it's false here. True. Logical or false gives me true. So now we are coming for this cell. Okay, so what we are doing here is, if I do not include 3 in the subarray 2 2 3, would the remaining elements would be able to give me a sum of 3? I can check from the previous cell, pre-computed. False, it would not be able to. And if I include 3 in my subarray, then I would be handling a sum of 3 minus a sum of 3 from the 3. Then I'll be checking for 0 sum the remaining elements could make. So yes, the remaining elements 2 and 2 can make a sum of 0. So it's also true. It's true here. Okay, so false, logical or true is true. Now for this cell, if I do not include 3 as my option, would the remaining elements would be able to give me a sum of 4? I can check from the pre-computed part that it would give me true. Yes. Okay, so if I do not if I include 3 in the subarray, would it be able to give me a sum of 4? So including 3 would be handling a sum of 3 from it. Remaining sum required by the remaining elements would be 1. So I'll be checking here if the remaining elements could give me a sum of 1. No, it's giving me false. So here it's also false. So false, logical or false is false. Now the last cell, if I do not include 3 in my sub array, would the remaining elements be able to give me a sum of 5? I can check. No, it's already pre-computed. No, right. And if I'm including 3, if I'm including 3, then I'll be covering 3, this sum 3 from 5. 5 minus 3, the remaining sum becomes 2. So would the remaining elements would be able to handle a sum of 2? I'll check from pre-computed things. Right, true. It would be able, the remaining elements would be able to handle the sum 2. I can check from here. So false, logical or true gives me true. So I can get a subarray with sum 5, including or not including any of these elements. It's not our business to check, but yeah, if it's coming true in the last block corresponding to the sum 5 and the last element, then if it comes true here, and so I'll return true, I'll return the value in this block. This would be my answer. So yes, it's true that there are possible sub arrays whose sum could be 5. So if you are thinking that why I have not directly computed this cell, the answer is that I will need the values of these cells also to compute this block answer, because this is a dynamic programming approach and we need the past answers, the previously divided sub problems, answer of the sub problems, to compute the next sub problem. So this is basically a tabulation form of dynamic programming, that is bottom to up approach. Okay, so that's all in this question and in this video. Thank you.